Today, let's talk about the importance of calcium, magnesium, and potassium in plants. Achieving a heavy harvest of firm, spicy, or sweet fruit depends heavily on nutrient timing. Nitrogen fuels early leaf growth, calcium, magnesium, and potassium are the heavy hitters for fruit production and plant structural integrity. Here is a breakdown of why these specific elements are vital for your pepper plants. 1. Calcium builder. Calcium is essential for cell wall structure, since it is an immobile nutrient, meaning the plant can't move it. From old leaves to new growth. Prevents blossom end rot. This is the most common pepper problem. Without enough calcium, the bottom of the fruit collapses and turns into a black, leathery patch. Structural strength. It creates thick cell walls, making the branches sturdier and better able to support a heavy load of peppers without snapping. Heat tolerance. Proper calcium levels help the plant manage transpiration, which prevents wilting during intense afternoon heat. 2. Magnesium engine. Magnesium is the central atom in the chlorophyll molecule. Without it, the plant cannot effectively turn sunlight into energy. Prevents interveinal chlorosis. If the veins of your pepper leaves stay green while the rest of the leaf turns yellow, the plant is likely magnesium deficient. Fruit setting. Magnesium helps the plant utilize phosphorus and iron, which are necessary for bloom production. More magnesium often leads to more flowers and, consequently, more peppers. 3. Potassium regulator. If nitrogen is for green and phosphorus is for roots, potassium, K, is for quality. Water regulation. Potassium controls the opening and closing of the stomata, pores, on the leaves. This is vital for maintaining turgor pressure, so the plant stays upright and hydrated. Fruit flavor and ripening. Potassium is responsible for the movement of sugars and starches throughout the plant. High potassium levels lead to thicker-walled peppers, better color development, turning from green to red/yellow, and a more intense flavor profile. Disease resistance. It thickens the outer skin of the plant, making it harder for pests and fungal pathogens to penetrate the tissue. Application tips for pepper. CalMag foliar sprays. If you notice yellowing leaves or the start of blossom end rot, a foliar spray can provide a quick rescue dose, as peppers can absorb these minerals through their leaves faster than through the roots in a crisis. The K boost. Transition to a higher potassium fertilizer once the first tiny peppers appear. Excessive nitrogen at this stage will give you a beautiful, green bush with very little fruit, whereas potassium will signal the plant to focus on the harvest. Consistency is key. Calcium uptake is tied to water movement. If you let the soil dry out completely and then flood it, the plant can't transport calcium properly, even if it's present in the soil. Aim for consistent moisture to keep these nutrients flowing.